At Oasis, I am free. Free to be.
Free to learn. Free to express. Free to dream.
Built with purpose, driven by hope. Oasis International School was not built overnight. It was built with a belief that education must shape character before it measures marks. Belief that children deserve to be understood before they are instructed. And belief that schools must prepare young minds not just for examinations but for life. As founders, we began Oasis with a simple but powerful question. What kind of human being do we want our children to become? Are we educating children merely to serve as manpower for industry? Or are we shaping individuals who can transform society? At a time when education seemed to reward marks over meaning and conformity over character, we dared to dream differently. We envisioned a progressive, learner-centric institution, one that would move towards quality and meaningful education. We were one of the first schools in Bangalore to adopt Cambridge curriculum 20 years back. Free to be, because we wanted Oasis to be a place where children are free to become who they are meant to be, not who the system demands them to be. Free to be reflects our deepest belief about education. A child learns best when they feel safe to be themselves. At Oasis International School, we believe true education begins when fear is removed. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of comparison, and fear of not fitting in. Free to be means giving children the freedom to be curious without being silent, be expressive without being labeled, be ethical without being forced, and be different without being excluded. And today, Oasis International School stands as living evidence of that conviction. From being the first Cambridge Early Years program school in the region to becoming a progressive institution known for global standards rooted in strong core values, our journey has been one of purpose-driven growth.
So just as an oasis revives a barren desert and brings life to it, this school rose as a mercy and a refreshing change in the landscape of education, rooted in faith, anchored in purpose, and driven by excellence. Oasis, true to its name, was conceived to restore meaning to learning. Here, knowledge is light, character is strength, and learning is an act of worship. The Cambridge education that we have consciously selected encourages children to explore, question, and wonder. It builds character, confidence, and a lifelong love for learning. Our teachers inspire students to think deeply and express themselves. At Oasis, this approach helps every child grow into the best version of themselves. Our students excel in academics, extracurriculars, and life skills, becoming well-rounded, happy, responsive citizens with strong voices. And when you combine strong identity with critical thinking, you create transformational leaders.
We focus strongly on academic excellence, character values, global citizenship, inclusion, and well-being. And today, those pillars are visible in outcomes. We are also proud to be a partner school in the Service Export Promotion Council, SEPC, under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, contributing to education policy dialogue and global engagement. We were the first in South India to be certified as an ISO 21001 school back in 2018. We are also certified by QMS 9001 since 2023. This has reaffirmed the strength and effectiveness of our system, validating that quality at Oasis is structured, measurable, and sustainable. Our students are confident without arrogance, compassionate without weakness, rooted in values, yet globally aware. As one of the founders and managing trustee, I look at Oasis today with deep gratitude. Oasis International School is our promise to parents, to children, and to the future that education can be humane, meaningful, and transformative. The dream that began 27 years ago has not only grown, it has matured into an institution contributing meaningfully to nation building, a nation that does not merely grow but transforms.